Hello everyone, it's Todd Bachman with Mosby Building Arts, and I'm outside of a project that we recently completed. It was a front porch project, and front porches are really some of my favorite projects we do because unlike an interior project where only select few people get to see it, an outside project like a front porch, every passerby, every car that goes by is going to see your house. So that makes it even more important to have such a great design to boost the curb appeal of your home. Now with this front porch we have contrasting columns that contrast with the color of the interior ceiling of the front porch. They're Boral columns flanked by a white interior ceiling tile of the front porch. Behind me is the Provia door. This is a fiberglass door. It's got a unique style to it. It really makes the home pop and brings a unique element the homeowner just really loves. So the front porch not only works to just boost the curb appeal of the home, it serves as a useful function to block away the elements and the sun from the front of the house. Bring all of these elements together and you have a wonderful project that everyone's going to enjoy for years to come. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great day.
Hi, I'm Mark McClanahan. I'm the president of Mosby Building Arts. Thanks for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and click the like button below. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section and we'll make sure to get an answer to you. For future videos, just go ahead and subscribe. And if you'd like to have a deeper conversation about your home, go ahead and click the link down there in the description area. We'll make sure to contact you. Thanks again for watching this video.